Thank you so much for subscribing, liking, and share. We're doing baseline, basic baseline that you can do on the seraJesu. Okay, so it's just very simple on 1-4-1-5. Okay, so Hakuna Zita seraJesu kana nuku inga hakuna niwe ragada zitarubunisi dinora imbira Jesu So this is the rhythm that I was doing. This from 3 so it's one, two, three, four. Okay, because our bite is 4 counts. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Pa, 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 pa. Tijimu pamiri. Okay. So we just go ni da 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 okay da 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 okay, so simple is that 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 4, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 4, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1, 5. Okay, 5, 5, 5, just 6, 7, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so that's what you can do, the basic way of doing it. I believe it will spice up your bass as a beginner. God bless you.